Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with another plan with me in my Hobonichi cousin, where I'm using some stickers from According to Allie, and these are her coffee obsessed stickers. And I am also an affiliate for According to Allie. If you use the code Karina10, you'll get 10% off your next order. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to start with using some of this alcohol ink washi, which is also from According to Allie. She has them in this blue color. There's a pink one and a black one, and I really love how that looks on the page. Her alcohol inks are awesome. There we go. Oh, there's Lucy barking at the neighbor's dog. I almost feel like I'll keep planning so you guys can hear the chaos that is happening upstairs. All right, so gosh, the dog next door is a golden doodle, I believe. Her name is Misha, and she's the prettiest dog ever. But she and Lucy do not get along, and Misha is like 5 times the size of Lucy, but Lucy they just don't get along. I don't know what it is. Whatever. And then I'm gonna create like a whole bunch of decoration up at the top here. I think it looks really, really cute. There we go. Oh my gosh, cute. And then I'll do the same thing over here. So starting with this, and I don't mind that I'm covering the dates, honestly. Ooh, I like this green look. I don't mind that I'm covering up the dates. I know what days of the week it is. And a croissant, as my daughter corrects me, croissant or pain au chocolat, pain. And then I like using this portion for decoration. I think it's just really cute. One more coffee beans. Oh, I like that. I like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna do let's do the coffee mug down here with some more beans and a little bit of this. I'm gonna use this whole sticker sheet. Then down here at the bottom, I'm gonna use some more of this washi. I mean, the way that I'm planning it doesn't look very functional right now, but it will. I just know where I can put stickers down and still have enough room to do all of my planning. So I'm going to put this big one here and the coffee bean. And then I'm gonna leave these ones for now because I'm probably gonna find places elsewhere to put them. So let's get on to the sidebar here. So for the sidebar, I am going to grab where's my pen? Oh, there. So I have my Sailor Pro Gear Slim in Manyo nuts, and it currently has, what do I have in here? Ferris Wheel Press Peter Moss in here. So that's gonna match with this green really, really well. And I'm gonna put my sleep score graph here. And last week, or the week leading up to my new releases, has been a lot of, I guess, late night, staying up past 11 until 12, trying to get everything done. Hopefully this week is a little bit better. Then underneath that, I'm going to use my Narwhal or Novelore Nautilus, and this has Birmingham Penco Freshwater Bog. And I'm gonna put my workouts down here. This ink matches that blue perfectly. I like that. I love that. And actually, I might use these in my journaling spread to match the day that this ink goes with. Actually, that would work really well. Like, slightly off topic. You'll see, let's go to like my journaling page here. Sorry, put this down so I don't smudge. Yeah, I can put, oh my gosh, that's cute. And matches perfectly. And then I'll put this cup of coffee here. I don't normally put stickers when I'm doing my 30 inks 30 days, but it works well. And I could put the donut here. Or no, I just like the one sticker actually. I will hang on to these. Do I have a purple this week? If I have a purple, I will use that, but if not, then I can use these here as well. Okay, back to the scheduled program. I also have a pink that's in this Paris and Bloom, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. I don't know if it'll match as well as I would like it to. So we'll stick with these colors here. So I'm gonna write down meals along the bottom. And I went through maybe a like 5-10 minute, or maybe an hour earlier this week where I really considered buying a Hobonichi Weeks for as a health planner to keep track of my meals, habits, and things like that. And I decided against it because I think I was having a FOMO moment where I see all of these beautiful Hobonichi Weeks health planners, people tracking their food and activity and everything like that. And it was appealing to me because I think part of it is I want to get that part of my life back in order. And not saying that it's not in order. I just feel that there's some things I don't track anymore, and maybe part of me thought that by buying a Hobonichi Weeks and by trying to track it all, that it would somehow get better. But I also know my behaviors and just the way that I work, and I really don't think in the end I would have used it, and I would have ended up wasting a planner. So that FOMO is gone. So here I am just putting in my work schedule for the week. And it's strange because last week I had so many appointments, and this week there are none that I know of. I'm saying that I should know what my appointments are. And I'm still picking up Henry from school because I had a major brain fart when it came to the bus schedule. It's okay. Oh, I know what's there. I have an acupuncture appointment. I'm gonna write that down before I forget. So 9 o'clock acupuncture. And then 10 o'clock at WW Sherwood Park. And then here I will take the kids for boba. There we go. Okay. Then going back to my to-dos here and just seeing that I will do my meal planning and ordering groceries. And then Tuesday, well, Wednesday morning is garbage day, but Tuesday is when we put out all of the bins. And I'm gonna grab my little sticker album from According to Allie. And there we go. There's the cleaner one, laundry, la, 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 and the last garbage one. So I need to get myself another one of these. So garbage. Oh, so satisfying finishing a sticker sheet. Then on Thursday, my husband will pick up groceries. It's funny, we're getting back into a routine because August was such a crazy busy month with I did a lot of traveling, in that month, going to Ottawa and then San Francisco, and then we went away to the mountains. It's nice to get back into this routine. Then I know I will be doing some filming that afternoon, and that evening I think I will be doing laundry. Yeah, I'm going to make plans to do laundry. Oh, this pen. Oh gosh, I love this pen. Old Laundry. And then on Saturday, we have the cleaner coming. I splurge on a cleaner to come once a month to basically do all the things that, I mean, we normally do anyway, but it's nice to have somebody else do it one weekend a month so I don't have to worry about it. And she also gets to, saying that, we do a tidy of the house before the cleaner even comes, so the house is at its cleanest even right before the cleaner gets there, just so that the cleaner can get to the spots that I'm, you know, for full transparency, too lazy to do. But really, I'm thankful that my sticker shop has allowed me to do this for myself and for my family, even just once a month. Then no other plans yet, but we might be going for brunch that day. Haven't decided yet. And then Henry's Ninja. Ooh. I have one sticker left from Cute Cut Craft, and then I am going to start using these. Thank you so much, Leslie, for these. I'm going to start using these ones from Midnight Snack. How cute is that? So I'm going to finish that sheet, and then that is, I guess, it. This pen. 11:30 to 12:30. Ninja. I feel like there's other things that I need to. I know that Robin has a field trip, but the thing is, I don't really keep track of kids' activities in here. This planner really is just for me, although I will make occasional notes that Robin has a field trip that day, or it's part of my to-do list, things like that. So, okay, I think that is everything. Now, I do have a couple of the coffee and donut stickers left. So I think I'm gonna put a donut here because there's room. And then the coffee mug, or coffee cup, it just feels weird just sticking it there. So I think, yeah, just right there is fine. Perfect. I've used a whole sticker sheet from According to Allie, as well as this sticker sheet, and finished that sticker sheet. Love it. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.